Hey guys, welcome back. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this amazing clay wash using my black rice water and also some other amazing herbs. So if you guys want to see how I did that, stay tuned. So for this recipe, you're going to need some Rhassoul clay, Shikakai powder, some aloe vera juice, Aritha powder, some black rice water or regular rice water, and water. And you're going to start out by adding half a cup of Rhassoul clay. And Rhassoul clay is amazing because it actually reduces dryness, flakes, and frizz. It clears clogged pores on your scalp. It improves hair elasticity. It helps in detangling. It soothes any scalp problems you have, like dandruff, and it also clarifies and detoxifies your scalp. And next, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of Shikakai powder. Shikakai is actually an amazing Ayurvedic traditional herb, and it aids in healing your hair, your scalp. It reduces dandruff, it has antifungal properties, it nourishes the hair follicles, cleanses your hair, and does a whole lot of other amazing things. And then I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of Aritha. And Aritha is actually also known as soap nut. It is a natural shampoo. It's full of amazing vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. It promotes healthy hair growth, it adds shine. Then you're going to go in with 1 cup of aloe vera juice. And aloe vera juice is amazing because it helps to balance your pH level on your hair. It repairs dead skin cells. It's just amazing all around for your hair. And then you're going to go in with your black rice water or your regular rice water. And I have other videos on how to make rice water and some other benefits, so I'm not going to spend much time talking about that. But I just added a 1/4 cup of rice water, and then I added another 1/4 cup of water. And then you're just going to mix that really well and try to get all of the clumps out. You really want this to be as smooth as possible before you apply it. And once you're done mixing, you're going to add that to your applicator bottle and give it a good shake. And now you're ready to start applying this to your hair. So I decided to apply this on dry hair, and as you guys can see, my hair is very dry. It is so dry. It's really dirty, it's old, it really needs a really good wash, and I just wanted to try something different other than regular shampoo. So I decided to incorporate my rice water into my Rhassoul Clay wash, and I'm just starting out by applying it all over my hair. I really want to make sure I get that on my roots and on my scalp and also on the ends of my hair as well. Since my hair is so old and has a lot of product built up on it, I'm really trying to thoroughly coat my hair, and I really don't want to miss any areas. And when you apply that to your scalp, you want to just massage that in as well. Give it a really good massage so that you can get that all over your scalp and, give your scalp the benefits of all of those amazing ingredients that are in your clay wash. So I just try to massage my hair for about 5 minutes. I am smoothing that clay all down the length of my hair to ensure that everything is coated and that I didn't miss any spots. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already so that you will never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So once you're done applying it all over your hair, you're going to let that sit on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. And if you want, you can add heat as well. You can sit under a hooded dryer or steam your hair as well. And then once you have let that sit on for your desired amount of time, you can go ahead and rinse that out. And I rinse this out in the shower. And also, guys, as you can see, it's very messy, so you might want to apply this in the shower as well. But here are my results, and you guys can see that my hair is very, very clumped. It's very defined. It's very shiny actually, and it's also very clean. So this is an amazing alternative to using regular shampoos. It doesn't strip your hair as much, and it also has some amazing benefits. And also, since you're adding that rice water in there, you're strengthening your hair on top of cleansing it, which will really help to grow your hair. You will get a lot of length retention if you continue to integrate rice water into your routine. And also with the Ayurvedic herbs as well, it really helps to promote hair growth and stimulate your scalp, and also to repair your hair as well if you have damaged hair, or if you're noticing that your hair is just not responding very well to products. This is something that you could try and see if it works for you, see if your hair likes it, and if it does, then definitely keep using it. And so that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and also if you like to add in different ingredients to your Rhassoul clay as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so that you will never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And also, you guys really want to stay in the loop when I start my 30-day rice water challenge, because I will be doing periodic updates.
It's a gas race, it win last place. In my first name.